What your country?
My country is basically England. I live in England.
You are wrong talking.
Yes, of course.
You are good donkey. You are monkey.
Yes.
Useless. What will you want to keep me quiet? Which are the chotogarai? What you Mr. Aziz? Your physical name? What your physical name? You are host PN.
He is a borough. Aziz Borough. He is basically from
Again,
Scotland.
he uses the native accent. So please.
He's a
tell
very
him-
good. He's a kind of.
Why you will not keep me quiet? Only one man talking. No, two men talking. You are country. You are hazard. Keep me quiet, Mr. Aziz Saab. I tell you, keep me quiet. Don't like. You are donkey. I don't know. You are just wrong talking.
I am talking in the right way.
Why right?
He is talking in the wrong way.
You wrong talking.
Yes, of course. He's wrong. I'm right.
I am Chinese talking. China. What your chonky can me ki kong kong shaw dan kan chong chong. My sha kan chan chi cho kong. Why you are still talking? Arabi wa wala mahila. Lama ta mai talapakan kudusa. O ta hakama ile timita. Wa in a foreign country league. You are export and import. What you
We
name?
are import.
I'm exporting the language from other countries.
He is imported. I am exported.
No, you are import export. You are businessman.
Yeah, businessman.
Why your country?
My country is from Russia.
Uganda. I am from Uganda country, and I believe that my country's prime minister.
Don't know कि मैं कोई मत पाती shut up. What is कि मैं कोई मायने के सुनिया ना खुदा बच्चे गुरुडे गोटे जो. I'm lecturer. I'm clear English talking.
Yeah, you
I'm
are.
a lecturer. Yes,
Actually, I am a
I'm
married-
foreign country lecturer.
Yeah,
you are
actually-
contest your application.
Yeah. Actually, I am married to a British girl.
Well, Lord, give me point for the Denmark. Don't know like you are. I'm a professor. No. Chong ki ka mi ki kong kong shaw dan kan chong chong. Wa wala mahila. Lama sa mai talabakan kudusa. O ta hakama ile timita. Wa ina foreign